Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Gita Ardiawantana Putri. Today I would like to present our explanation about ICT-based learning during COVID-19 outbreak, advantage, opportunities, and challenge. Okay, let's talk to this topic. Okay, definition of ICT. ICT-based learning is kind of learning that uses information and communication technology or ICT to foster, optimize, enhance, and support gaining knowledge. And then ICT-based learning during COVID-19 outbreak. ICT application plays significant role in education in new technological era, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. According to the report from UNESCO 2020, the pandemic has a devastating impact on global education. By May 2020, 95% students around the world have been affected by the outbreak of the virus, representing 1.7 million of the students worldwide from kindergarten to postgraduate in more than 200 countries, where governments around the world ordered closures of schools and universities. Based on this fact, many schools and universities worldwide began to adopt online learning. Adoption of ICT-based learning results many advantages, opportunities, and challenges. Okay, then next about advantage of ICT-based learning. Advantage of ICT-based learning are about first, ICT made online learning possible using ICT device and tools at and out of classroom to do research and download educational application is very common for all students from all level of learning. And then the second, saving time and money. The second important advantage of ICT-based learning during the pandemic is saving time and money for students and educators or lecturers in addition to administrative staff in education. And then the next, ICT as motivation tool. And next, ICT as communication tool. Students, lecturers, and staff usually use social media application and email to contact each other. And then the next, mobility. Students are able to study anytime, which called us asynchronous learning and anywhere they want to. And then access to remote learning research. Many of learning research are available online, so students and educators need not to worry again about print books and other materials in library anymore. And then social media. These days, student lecturers and staff rely on ICT applications such as WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on to contact each other, share information. And then the next, browsing information. Maybe the most important role of for teachers and students about using ICT are the benefits of direct and quick access for looking information and course online, and using some application like social media, educational application, and YouTube. And next, improving the quality of education. Having all classes online add more skills about ICT and its approach to learning material. And then the next, ICT as learning tool. Uh, ICTs are the basic for online learning and its components such as web, videos, audio, presentation, and e-books enhance the way of learning where students can read, listen, and interact. And then the last of about advantage of ICT-based learning is sharing knowledge. They can create many files online, edit them anytime they want, share them with others, and interact with us well. Okay, and then next, disadvantage of ICT-based learning. Disadvantage of ICT-based learning are first, remote learning. Since schools or universities adopt distance learning isolation for the COVID-19 pandemic, where B teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms, hundreds of applications and platforms were created and many others are developing their own LMS and platform in addition to technological companies and program developers in field of education. And then the next available of time and then adoption more technologies, and then next online materials or MOOC. There is a high demand of messages open online course or MOOC such as Handread, Khan Academy and E, uh, EDX show us the importance of these platforms in facilitating learning outside of classroom. And then the next learning new skills, and then family catering. Finally, it's important to mention that family members can stay together while they go on their studies. And then the last about challenge of ICT-based learning. Challenge of ICT-based learning are low speed and bandwidth of internet, electricity cut, lack of electronic tools, high cost of maintenance of ICT infrastructure, and then classroom management, plagiarism, and the last, lack of expertise. Okay, I think enough from my explanation about this topic. If I hope you understand what I mean and what about my explanation. If you don't understand about my explanation, you can ask me in group discussion. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.